Let's start with the eyes. So dito, unahin natin is yung eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I am just brushing the brows using the BYS Brow Gel in the shade Brown 02. Always go from light to dark. Light sa head ng ating eyebrows, then dark sa tail ng ating eyebrows. Para mag-complement ang kanyang eyebrows sa color ng kanyang buhok, gumamit ako ng Fashion 21 Eyebrow Gel in the shade Light Brown. Using the Bobbie Cosmetics Concealer, dinedefine ko ang kanyang brows. I am also doing this technique para linisin yung mga sobrang mga products na nailagay ko sa kanyang eyebrows. At the same time, makokorek ko din ang shape ng kanyang brows if I have any corrections and to even out the shape of both eyebrows. After correcting and concealing her brows, I use this Laura Marcier translucent loose setting powder to set her eyes para hindi siya mag-crease or mag-cake. Proceed na tayo sa ating eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I am using this BTLA Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow. For the transition shade, I am using this light brown color with orange undertone. Ina-apply ko lang siya sa kanyang crease, following the shape of her natural crease. So I'm just creating a shadow here. To add depth to this look, I am using this maroon eyeshadow from the same palette, BTLA Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow. So maglalagay lang ako ng products, concentrating on her outer V corner ng kanyang mata, going towards the inner corner of her eyes. To add some light to this look, I'll be using this Australis Shimmer Pigment Pot in the shade Beaming Berry. To eliminate patchiness on the eye look, I'll be using this Palladio Crushed Metallic Shadow in the shade Nebula. To blend out the shimmer to the matte eyeshadow, babalik lang ako dun sa BTLA Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow palette. Then, getting the maroon color again, I'll just put some maroon eyeshadow, focusing on the outer V corner of her eyes, papunta doon sa inner corner ng kanyang mata, para ma-blend out lang natin yung matte and shimmer eyeshadow. For this look, I opted for a cat eye. Here, I am using Careline Graphic Ink Liner in the shade Black, and I am just tight lining her eyes, also extending it outward para magkaroon tayo ng cat eye look. After applying the liquid liner, it is very important to curl the lashes. After curling the lashes, apply the mascara. Here I am using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And of course, add some falsies. Here I'm using Bobbie Cosmetics Queen. Let's go on with the face makeup. For her primer, at the same time moisturizer, I use this Luxe Organic Soothing Gel Aloe Vera. Once absorbed na ng skin ang moisturizer at primer, let's now proceed with the foundation. For the foundation, I am using this MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC37. I also use foundation brush to apply this kind of foundation. To even out the foundation and to remove the streakiness, gumamit lang ako nitong damp sponge, and I am just moving it on a dabbing motion. Para i-highlight naman ang center ng kanyang face, I use this Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. Using the same damp sponge, bine-blend out ko lang yung concealer na nilagay natin. I super love this concealer kasi full coverage talaga siya, at saka nag-a-add talaga siya ng light at saka ng brightness sa face. As you can see, bine-blend out ko lang siya on a dabbing motion as well. Same nung pag-blend out natin ng foundation. I also set the concealer using this Laura Marcier Translucent Loose Setting Powder para hindi mag-cake yung concealer na nilagay natin. For the contour, I am using this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. I am focusing the contour on her cheekbone, on the temples of her forehead, and of course, on her jawline. For her nose contour, I am also using this Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. Normally, pag nagko-contour ako ng nose, gumagawa lang ako ng shadow from her nose papunta dun sa head ng kanyang eyebrows. I'm just creating a line. Tapos naglalagay ako ng V sa tip of the nose. Now, let's smoke out the eyes. So, dito, balik lang tayo sa BTLA Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow, yung shade na maroon. Naglalagay lang ako ng shade na yan using a flat brush sa under eye area niya. Whenever applying eyeshadow sa ilalim ng mata, kailangan talaga closest to the lash line as possible para mas mag-smoke out siya ng mas maganda. Next, let's apply the blush. For the blush, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade 40, which is peach. Niremove ko na rin yung mga loose setting powder from the bake that we did a while ago. To highlight her face and to add glow to her face, I am using this Pixie Dolce Candy and I am using this shade Dolce for the cheek, for the Cupid's bow, and of course, for the tip of her nose and on the bridge of her nose. To tightline her eyes, I am using this Ever Belena color pencil in the shade black and apply it on her waterlines. To complete the eye look, let's apply this Maybelline Total Temptation waterproof mascara in the shade black and apply this on the lower lashes. Let's complete the look with this Vice Phenomenal lipstick in the shade Cameroon.
And that's it. This is the final look. Ayan. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, ay please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga susunod na video. Thank you so much and hope you like it. Bye! Nagustuhan mo ba? Parang di naman. Plastic. Gusto niya? Gusto niyo ba yan? Ha? Yung ganyan mukha? Gusto niyo yan? Thank you so much. Bye!